Integration by u-substitution is a technique used in calculus to simplify integrals by making a substitution that will transform the integral into a simpler form. The basic idea is to substitute a complicated expression inside the integral with a new variable u, such that du dx is a factor in the integral. This allows us to rewrite the integral in terms of the new variable u, making it easier to solve. Here are the steps for performing u-substitution. 1. Choose a part of the integrand to substitute as u. It's usually a good idea to choose the most complicated part, such as a trigonometric function, exponential, or polynomial. 2. Calculate du dx, and solve for dx in terms of du. 3. Substitute the expression for u and du dx into the original integral, and rewrite it in terms of u. 4. Evaluate the new integral in terms of u. 5. Finally, substitute back to the original variable using u and obtain the final answer.